Jessica and I'm here at Triumph North London, and today we're going to talk about a few tips just to keep your bike in tip-top condition over the winter. The first common misconception of putting your bike away for winter is pulling it out once a week to start it up, let it get warm and then turning it off again and putting it away. This is the worst thing that you can do for your bike. We would recommend putting your bike away for winter and then leaving it until you're ready to see it again in the spring. The reason why we don't want you doing this to your bikes is because it creates a condensation from putting your warm bike back into a cold environment. Keep repeating this process over a period of time, you're going to have a greater amount of condensation. It's now going to be mixing with the oil, which is going to compromise the performance come the spring once you put it out and want to ride it again. However, what we do recommend is a battery charger like this one. This not only charges your bike, but it will also monitor the cells in the battery, making sure that you're getting the best out of the charge. Because the worst thing we want is to pull your bike out in the spring and your battery has gone flat. For more information regarding our products and services, please visit lynn.co.uk or give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you ever so much and we hope you have a lovely winter.